Hi guys, thanks for stopping by. If you're new to my channel or if you're returning, welcome or welcome back. My channel is all about luxury unboxings as well as pre-loved and on occasion some beauty products. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell, and you'll know when I've uploaded new videos. Today's video, guys, is going to be something from ASPINAL of London. I have 3 products to share with you. If you think this is something you might be interested in, keep on watching. So guys, I first heard about this product or this brand from the fellow YouTuber Maria. I can't remember her last name, Lapel. I will link it below if I'm pronouncing it wrong. I do apologize. She was unboxing a handbag, so I thought I'd go over and see what the channel was all about because the prices, she said, were really good. They do have a clearance section, and I went through the clearance section, and this is where I found 3 of my items. One of the ones in her video she had showcased. I really liked it a lot, so I went over and had to see if it was still available. So guys, let me show you what I have purchased. So they came, guys, in these 3 boxes. I've gone ahead and unboxed them. So you can see here, the packaging is really, really nice. Let's start off with the smaller one. Up close and personal about the boxes. They're beautiful, they're black, they're really nice and sturdy. Really liked them a lot, with Aspinall of London on the front there. So let me go ahead, guys, and open it. Oops. And here are the care cards that fell out, instructions, so on and so forth. This is the product, guys, that I purchased that I saw Maria have on her channel. Let me go ahead and remove it from the box. This one is genuine leather, and it's in a burgundy color with a gold zipper. It does have their logo, Aspinall of London, on the front. Does have gold hardware there. Let's go ahead and close the zip. Very smooth. The inside is a fair size. It does have like a cotton type lining with their logo there on the inside. The size is roughly, I believe, 6 by 4. So it can accommodate your cards, it can accommodate a lipstick and maybe your driver's license, your Visa, your debit for maybe just going out to the store, so on and so forth, getting gas. You can also fit, roll up your mask, and maybe a pair of throwaway gloves can go in there as well, or some lotion for your hands. Really nice, very, very soft, guys. Just love it. The color is stunning. It's not showing up that great on camera, but it's gorgeous. So let me tell you about this little piece. Pardon me. I went onto the site and I went on to the clearance section. This is where I found it. It was priced for $26, and the time I paid my duty, my exchange, and got it here to Canada, it cost me 75 Canadian dollars for this amazing little piece, guys. Genuine leather, cross embossed. Gorgeous, gorgeous little piece. I just love it. So here it is, guys. It is just a stunning, stunning piece. Look at that, guys. Gorgeous. It's showing up on camera as red. It is orange. Let me go ahead, guys, and take it out of the box. Give you a closer look. This is a silk twilly made in, I believe it is Italy. Just gorgeous. The color is orange, navy, and gold. I love the detail, guys. Look at that. You go ahead and open it up. Oh, it's so nice and silky. Really, really good quality, guys. Look at that. So if you haven't checked them out, go over to their site, ASPINALofLondon.com. Go into their new arrivals or also their clearance section. They do carry a variety of items such as wallets, keychains, bags, scarves, men's line, you know, things like that. So go check them out. Really, really good site. So guys, there it is. It is stunning. Look at that. Cannot wait to use this. This one I'm going to put on my, I think my Kurt Geiger mini Kensington transparent bag because of the orange. I think it's just going to be gorgeous. So there's that one, guys. It does have the ASPINAL of London, their logo there. Look at that. I think this one is made, is it England or is it Italy? Yes, this one is, I should know by the flag, made in Italy. So there's that one, guys. The color is amazing on them. Really, really good quality. So guys, let's take the lid off. So tight. I did get another bandeau. Look at the color on this one. One of my favorite colors is green. This one is with the navy and also the red and a bit of gold. It is just a stunning piece. Let me take it out of the box. Look at the back, guys. Is that not a gorgeous print? And the color combination on that, I just think it's beautiful. It's so vibrant. Once again, 100% silk. Go ahead, open it up and let you see it. I like how the navy and the green go together. I thought this would really be good for summer and also to be worn into the fall with a crisp white shirt, navy blazer, or green blazer. Just gorgeous, guys. And here's the inside. Same as the outside. Just a stunning piece, guys. I can't wait to use these. So guys, here's what I've gotten from ASPINAL of London. Gorgeous pieces. You can wear them around your neck. You can tie them on your bag. Beautiful, beautiful pieces, guys. Let me just wrap it around here. Show you what it's going to look like very quickly. I love the feel of it. Really good quality. Look at that, guys, with a white shirt. Would that not be stunning? Their items are very affordable. These twillies that I purchased, these ones were, I believe, $97. And that was including duty, shipping for me to get it. They were on sale for $57 or $59. So you can't go wrong with a silk twilly, guys, for that price. And that included my duty, my exchange coming into Canada. I will insert below some of the stuff that they do have on their site so you can see or have an idea and then make a decision whether you want to go over and check out their site. So guys, here's some items that they do have on the site. Some totes that are Croc embossed, as well as some makeup cases. And next you're going to see some silk scarves. They're beautiful silk scarves, as well as some wallets, some passport holders, and also some jewelry boxes, jewelry cases. And the next item here, we do have some card cases, Croc embossed as well. And they do have a little bit of jewelry, some cuff bracelets, and beautiful bags tied with the scarves. The next one is a little bit of video. I do apologize for the quality. I was having some technical difficulties, but you can see they have a vast variety of items: scarves, handbags, purse, key changes. There's those twillies there. Some more silk, beautiful scarves, different size handbags, some straps for your purses, card holders, key holders, wallets for men, some other items for men. So you can see that there is a really good choice of items on this site. Really good qualities, beautiful keychains there, sunglasses, great gifts for Mother's Day coming up as well, some stationery, phone cases, and some more bracelets, as well as their jewelry boxes. So go give it a look, guys. They have some really nice stuff. So guys, those are my 3 small items I wanted to share with you today from ASPINAL of London. If I'm not pronouncing it correctly, please forgive me for that. So remember, guys, define your style. Don't be afraid to express it, because that's who you are. Take care, guys. Till next time. Bye-bye.